Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel, and this is complimentary video to my mini Santa hat. And for the pom pom I was using this really cheap and easy pom pom makers. So this set comes in 4 different sizes: a mini, 3.5, small 5.5, then large one 9 centimeters, and medium one 7 centimeters. For this tutorial, I'm going to use 5.5 centimeters. And so as you can see, there are two pieces. You need to position them together in this way, like this, and then you are ready. So take the yarn one more time, position like this. So take the yarn and start wrapping around uh, the pom-pom maker, the one side. As you can see, I'm using two strands of yarn together, so it will be faster because I was knitting the hat in two strands of yarn, so you can use one strand of yarn, up to you. So keep wrapping the yarn until you fill up all gaps of this curve curve part. So for me it's enough because I want a small pom-pom. Then do not cut the yarn and go right away to the second part, and repeat the same for the other side. Later on we will trim all tails, so no worries. Repeat the same, wrapping around and filling up the gaps. You can push the yarn with your finger, but it's relevant for big pom-poms. For the small one, you can just go in between, so you don't need to push here. So finish wrapping, then cut the yarn a little bit here, cut the yarn, and then you need to close the pom-pom maker, so clip from both sides. So join two pieces together and clip. Now take sharp scissors and start cutting from the side, so in the middle. Cut like this, then cut that yarn that was joining two curves together, and repeat the same for the other side. Till the end. That's it. Now take the yarn, another yarn, like 10 or 15 centimeters long, and tie around like this. Push the yarn between in between, and make a knot to secure. I start with double knot here, pull tight, and repeat 2-3 times more. And always pull tight. Now open pom pom maker and remove it from one side, remove it, and from another side. So that's what you get, and of course the shape is not ideal, so if you want to make a round shape, start trimming. Trim all that is sticking out. Trim until you will be satisfied. So for me it's enough. Oh, I see what to trim from this pom pom. Yeah. So the pom pom is ready. You can attach it to the hat, mini hat, I don't know, maybe baby boots or keychain. So up to you. It's really a big variety where you can use it and add it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to knit this beautiful mini Santa hat.